Let's try a delicious oven-baked French white onion soup with good hot melted cheese on top. Our French white onion soup is deliciously rich and easy to make at home for you and your family. You will need to cut half baguette into 1 cm thick slices and 500 grams white onions julienne style. 200 grams grated Gruyère cheese and 2 thinly sliced garlic cloves, half teaspoon black pepper, 2 teaspoons salt, 70 gram butter, 1 liter beef stock. We will begin by heating up 30 ml olive oil and 70 gram butter over medium heat using a large cast iron pot or a Dutch oven. When the butter has melted, add your julienne sliced onions and 2 teaspoons salt, then let them fry for 20 minutes, stirring occasionally to avoid burning the onion. Much of the success getting this soup right depends on the stock that you're using and properly caramelizing the onions. After adding sugar, you should continue to fry and caramelize the onions for about 10 minutes. Add 50 ml dry white wine and cook for another 8 minutes until the alcohol evaporates. Add 20 grams flour and continue to stir and cook until the onions have a deep golden brown color. Once the onions are caramelized, add beef stock and pepper and bring the mixture to a boil. Then reduce the heat to medium-low and let it simmer for 20 minutes. Ladle soup into individual oven-safe bowls and top each one with crostini, some thinly sliced garlic, and of course grated Gruyère cheese or Parmesan. I like adding thin garlic slices on the crostinis instead of just smearing them with it because it gives the soup that extra garlic touch that I personally enjoy. Bake it at 190 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes or until the cheese has a melted crust and is bubbly. Serve this soup hot and add some chopped chives or spring onions on top.